Well, hey y'all, this is Dave from DeBomb Smokes. We're going to do a cook on the griddle on this Monday afternoon. Some crispy taters, some peppers and onions and garlic, and some sausage. So stay tuned.
Dave the what? Dave the boot.
Now I've got some red potatoes, and I just kind of put these in the microwave for about 2 or 3 minutes. Kind of dried them out a little bit, and I'm going to use this T-Sang's stir fry oil. It's really good stuff. It's got a very high heat tolerance, and I'm going to use that to put in the potatoes. I've also got some Lawry's seasoning salt that I'm going to use. I'm going to mix them up really good. But this stuff here's got a great taste. So these are ready for the grill. I've got a lot of this is leftovers. I got some peppers left over from a previous cook. And I've also cut up about, I don't know, 5 or 6 cloves of garlic there. And I've also got a red onion left over from a previous cook. So I'm not really wasting anything. I've got some green onions. I'll probably throw that in there too. And I've just got some sausage, some Italian sausage that I'm going to throw on there. Tell you what, folks, there's just nothing like being out here on a day like today with a beer in one hand and a spatula in the other, cooking on the Blackstone Griddle. And we're almost done here. I want the potatoes to be nice and done and crisp. And then we're going to make us a plate. I know this is going to be good. Try one of these potatoes here. Oh yeah. Put some more of that Lawry seasoning salt on it. Yeah. And some of the onions and peppers. Some sausage. Very good. Seriously, folks, give us a try. And if you don't have a griddle, you can do it on a frying pan on the stove.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
You could probably mix all this stuff together and broil it in a pan in the oven if you wanted to.
It's a good idea.
This is awesome. This brings another cooking session to a close, folks. I really enjoyed this. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button, and please leave me a comment. I love it when you leave me a comment. So, until next time, folks, this is Dave DeBomb. I want to thank you all for stopping and watching.
Dave the boot.
For those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. Love each and every one of you. Y'all stay safe and healthy. Cheers, y'all.